The mysterious map. Max loved adventure and exploring new places. One afternoon, while rummaging through the attic of his old house, he stumbled upon a dusty chest. Inside, he found a rolled-up map covered in strange symbols and an old drawing of a large tree. The map seemed very old and mysterious. Eager to solve the mystery, Max decided to follow the map. The first symbol led him to the city park, where a statue of a knight holding a golden sword stood. According to the map, the next clue was hidden near this statue. He carefully examined the base of the statue and discovered a hidden compartment. Inside, there was a golden key and a note that read, "To find the next clue, go to the tallest building in the city." Max hurried to the tallest building, a skyscraper with an observation deck high above the city. Using the golden key, he unlocked a small box he found in a corner of the deck. Inside the box was a piece of parchment with a riddle. "I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I?" Max thought about the riddle and realized the answer was fire. The parchment then led him to the old fire station at the edge of town. At the fire station, Max discovered an old firefighter's helmet with a secret compartment. Inside, he found a leather-bound book titled The Hidden Treasure of Brightsville. The book told a story about a treasure buried in the city, meant for someone brave and clever to find. Max was thrilled to learn that the treasure was hidden in his own backyard. That evening, Max and his family dug up the backyard and uncovered a small chest filled with old coins, jewelry, and letters from the past. Max's adventure not only revealed a hidden treasure, but also brought him closer to the history of his city and his family. Life lesson. Max's journey teaches us that curiosity and persistence can lead to great discoveries. English lesson. Pay attention to how the story uses simple sentences to describe actions. For example, Max loved adventure, and he carefully examined the base of the statue. Use straightforward language to clearly convey what is happening. Simple sentences can make a story easier to understand.